kaunti ya Narok niyo ikoretwo itongoretie hari kugimaria ciana cia airitu na wohi wa nda mena ukuru wa thi, undu uria ucungiirie anyiti itemi a kuoya ikinya ria gutaara airitu niguo mahote kuhimbiria mathomo. Matongoretio ni murugamiriri munene wa bodi ya kuhurana na ugimaria wa ciana cia airitu Benedetta Rujo, nimaigite ciiko ici ni ciongererekete na njira nene na nicio icungiirie airitu kwaga guthoma.
And so today we are here as government to just reiterate that we are supporting girls to continue going to school, and we are against female genital mutilation. We are saying that girls have to be safe from it.
Lolo Junior aciari guthomithagia airitu wao uhoro wa miikarire miega na makiria mahimbirie mathomo kuri ciana ciao.
Girls have to concentrate on their studies to get education so that we have a better future, and as we look at our vision 2030, we want girls who can be able to support their families and be in the lead in issues of women empowerment.
Purity Oiye na Agnes Parieyo, amwe ya aria mareganire na kugimario na kuhika mari na ukuru wa thi, nimaigite uhuthiri wa thimu niguo ucungiriirie wohi wa nda kuri airitu, kuona nicio mahuthiraga kwaraniria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Njoroge.